guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonja, for those of you that are stopping by for the very first time. Today I'm taking you along with me while I clean my kitchen. Kitchen is one of those spaces that become a disaster zone if you don't stay on top of it really quickly. We all had breakfast at different times, and with kids off to work and practices and us driving them, this is what happened when you are not cleaning as you go. The dishwasher was full of clean dishes from the night before, and none had time to empty it before we scattered out. Since now it's almost after lunch, and I will have to start on dinner before you know it. I needed to clean this mess. I thought it would be great time to take you along for this fast cleaning. I'm not talking about cleaning the kitchen, deep cleaning the kitchen, but cleaning that will get my kitchen looking presentable. Before we get started, just a quick reminder, if you haven't done so already, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if your kitchen space goes from disastrous from 0 to 100. So first thing that we are going to deal with are the dishes. I will unload and load the dishwasher and hand wash some dishes. It is impossible to clean around it, so I like to get that out of the way.
Even though I wanted to, I should be trying something new, but now my body's aching. I'm tired of dwelling in the dark, it's just that my heart can't take it. I didn't know what it would cost me when I let you go. I feel alone, and I'm just singing, It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. I could be driving to your place, but now the ground is shaking. Could be a phase, but it feels like it will never go away until we make up. I can't be myself. I never knew how much I needed you. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. It could have been you. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do, 'cause it should have been you. Around your arms instead of being lonely. It should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel home. What a crime and what a shame to let go. Ooh, it should have been you. Another time, another place, I just know. You could have been the one who made me feel at home. What a crime and what a shame to let you go. Sometimes I just don't know what to do. It should have been you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep, 'cause I'm not tired. I'm thinking about the days we used to shine when we were young. I told you that we should start a band and reach for the sky. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you.
I also like to declutter the counters of things, put away everything that needs to go away, take it out of the kitchen if it needs to go out of the kitchen, or just put it away in the cupboards.
We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside, and I kinda feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Don't talk about it like you're crazy. You know damn well I can't replace you. Just say what you mean. Don't waste your time being mad at me. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need. Get what you need. What I do is try to give you more than words. When I say I quit, it's only cause it hurts. We got places we can go to figure out what we've done, what we need, what to do. Yeah, I got you. The way you look at me is absent. It's like you're walking through a labyrinth. Just say what's going on. Don't waste your time being all alone. Say what you mean. Say what you mean. And you'll get what you need.
Once all the dishes are done and put away, I like to clean my sink. So what I do is, if I don't have baking soda, I sometimes have a Comet, which is like a abrasive cleaner for the sink, and I like to add it to my sink and let it kind of sit and soak up a little bit, and then I like to spray my counters down with an all-purpose cleaner and just let it sit while I get some other stuff done.
That we'll talk another day, 'cause my phone won't be ringing.
I also like to spot clean my appliances as well as my cupboards and handles on the cupboards with just water and some Norwex cloth.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This
So once the all-purpose cleaner had time to sit on my counters, I give it a wipe down. I'm not going for the polished look, I'm just going for a clean look. And the all-purpose cleaner that I like to use is Method.
Just say yes, choose to do whatever comes next. Just be brave and come along. I wanna do it all, this or that. Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that.
Once the counters are all cleaned up, I clean my sink and I give it a good scrub, get rid of any stains or food stuck onto the sink.
Getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire. Make love or fight, this or that. Baby, time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. I just wish I had a little more time with you, baby. Weeks and months and years they passed, and I knew it wouldn't last when tears streamed down my face.
Then I move on to the floors. I give my floors a quick vacuum. If this was at the end of the night, I would most likely be giving it a quick mop as well with my Norwex mop. I also get the kids to check on the garbage and the recycling and see if it needs to get taken out, because I do like to have it all emptied either before dinner, but most of the time after dinner. So you can see how 15 to 20 minutes of your day will get the job done. I didn't clean everything, just enough so it looks presentable if somebody pops in, so they don't think I'm a complete slob. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if your kitchen, like I said, goes to disastrous from 0 to 100. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
They passed, and I knew it wouldn't last.